Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can use grid to take a snap on Snapchat. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the little plus icon. After that, scroll until you can find the grid option. Once you do, tap on it. Now, adjust the grid and then take a snap. And that's it guys. This is how you can use the grid on Snap. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.